friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. Water. It's only water. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a YouTube friend. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. So today, I dropped my badge off my jacket today and it broke. It was my favorite badge. I was very sad. So now I got to make myself another one. So I thought we would make a badge reel today. All the, countless ones I had before, I've given them all away. So I need to make one. Anyways, before we get started, I just want to say something. If you guys don't mind, if you do, well, I'm saying it anyways. But I had stopped doing videos for crafting for a while, and I wasn't sure if I was going to come back to doing them because it was getting to be a lot. I am not a professional crafter. I am just a normal person who really likes to craft and who really likes to buy stuff for crafting. And I do videos just to show things. Some things, are easy. Some things are hard. Some things are simple. Some things are not. But I show the things that I do because it might help somebody figure something out that they wanted to do. It might give them an idea for something. And I didn't stop crafting. I just stopped making videos. And I've really, after taking a step away from doing it, I really thought a lot about it, and I'm going to still do my videos, and I'm going to do it because I enjoy it. And the reason why I had taken a step back is I'm not a full-time YouTube person. I don't have a regular schedule that I put things up. I don't, afford my life because of YouTube. I'm not a professional crafter. I buy everything myself, and I just do things that I think are fun, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it's beautiful, sometimes it's stupid. One person might want it, one person might not, but I let myself get caught up and not do it because I felt bad because I couldn't keep up with, oh, can you show me how you did this? And I couldn't see that. And I need you to redo it and do that. And, how come you didn't answer me? And, well, because I have a full-time job and a life. And I let myself feel so bad. Not bad about myself, but sad that I couldn't do it. And then I felt like I was letting people down. And so yeah, I'm not going to do that. If I can answer, I'm going to answer. I'm going to film it to the best of my ability. I film everything on my phone with an old rinkety holder, a makeshift holder at that. So it is what it is. And that's it. All right, so let's make a badge reel. All right, so what I'm gonna make this time is, I love this guy. I have a, what do you call it? A wallet like this. This is the little bear from Toy Story, and the wallet, it smells like berry. This doesn't, but this is like a, for Crocs, like a gibbet, I think they call it. So I figured I could probably, yeah, look how easy that came off. So I just took the gibbet off. And that's fine. I'm not even going to worry about that. And I have a badge reel. And then I think I'm going to do, so this is a rainbow fine glitter. It's coral. So I think I'm going to do this as my top on here. And then I'm going to do some beads. I feel like these will go well with him. And then he'll just kind of go there. And I feel like he will be a nice little badge. And considering what I do for a living, I just feel like having fun badges is, you know, kind of nice. It's like all part of dopamine dressing, you know? So listen, I didn't even come out here and clean up my mess since I've been out here last. So we'll just have to figure it all out. And then I've had this bottle for so long. This is the UV, the hard type from Resin Rockers. I have had this for a really long time, and I've still not had to replace it. It is so worth the money. I know that I've been told of a lot of different types of UV resin that work great. I haven't really tried a lot of other ones because this works so good. And again, I haven't had to switch because it's just worked really well. I need something to stir with. I had some toothpicks. We'll use this guy. Oh, this is going to be really pretty. Oh, you guys, the toothpicks are right in front of me. This is heavy, so it's going to fall over. It's still a little thick. Look. Oh yeah, this color is so pretty. Can you see like the rainbow in there? It's really pretty. This little suction cup holder is great for like little plexiglass and acrylic blanks, you know, but I still, even if I'm only doing it on these things, I still like to just sort of have something high to work on. I got those things off the TikTok shop. I need a little more. And I use the light from Resin Rockers also. Like their light, it's called the Magic Cure. And I just think it is the best light I've ever bought. It was expensive, but I've had it for a couple years now. And I still don't feel like anything beats it. So I've ordered, and I'm waiting for it to come. I've ordered some of the 3D dimension from Mod Podge. Because I'd like to see, you know, I want to see how that works. I feel like that'd be really cool if it works nice. All right. I don't want that to get in the light because I need to use it still. I'm going to go under the light. I'm going to hold this at first. Anything you don't want to move, just hold it for a minute. I don't know, the way that this that I'm using as a holder is, I can't like go on the wider angle to make sure you can see everything. So you might not be able to see the magic here, but it's under there. We're going to leave it under there for a few minutes, and then when we get done, we'll do this guy inside. We'll use the rest of this to go inside our little button. We'll do that prior to putting him on. Isn't he cute? There's nothing worse than accidentally putting it on the wrong side of your snap. I've done that before. So, you know, make sure it snaps, right? And then also this way you're making sure that you're putting it on the right side of the snap. So I'm going to use a toothpick. It's amazing how far a little bit of this stuff goes. Now, the one thing I'll say is when you're doing these beautiful domes, like they're so pretty and they honestly just look super lovely, but be careful because some of those slots in ID cards are not huge, and then you make the dome so big that you can't fit it over. So I'm going to put this under for just a second, and then I'll do that one because I don't want it to slide around if I'm doing both of them. So just for a second, just to harden it, and then we'll come out, do the other side, and then I'll put it both in together. So see, just enough to, it's not cured by any means, but it's enough so that it's not going to slide when I do this side. And then when I do this side, I'll do the same thing. I'll hold it. This color is just really so pretty. All right, so I'm just going to put that under and hold it. And then once I feel confident that it's not going to slide around, then I'll just set the whole thing down and put it under for a whole time. Now I've still got all of this left. That's the hard part, is that it just takes so little and then you end up with stuff left, you know? Look how pretty that is. That color is so nice. So this is glitter chip and it's colorful coral, rainbow fine glitter, but the color is just so pretty. So pretty. All right, so now we're gonna put this sweet little guy on here. And I want to go down kind of far. So I think that I'm actually gonna do this part first. So I'm gonna put on beads. And when you do this, make sure, I like to use a clamp and then I wrap it around the clamp, okay? Because, where's my lighter? I'm gonna need a lighter, hold on. So these little guys from the Dollar Tree are great for this. Now some people like to take the clips off. For me, And listen, sometimes it just gets too tight and I have to take the clips off. But when I don't have to, I don't, just because it's just one more thing to have kind of jaggedy looking, to bend, to break. I like to just cut it right flush. And then I use these from the dollar store. See, they go right through it and they're like perfect. I'm gonna have to use some alcohol and clean my beads when I'm done because they got glitter all over them. And then, so, you know, just put your beads on, whatever you want. And then I might have to go get, oh no, it fit fine. If your ends of your string get jaggedy, just use a lighter. And then pull it through, and you want to make some really good knots. Go down, you know, as far as you can. Oops. And just make sure you knot it up good, because if you don't have a nice thick knot, it'll pull through. And before you unhook it, take it and, you know, kind of pull your knot in and make sure that it's good. And then you can unhook it. So if you don't use something to hold it in place, then you can lose your string up in there. And if you lose your string, then, you know, you're all done. All right, so now we're going to put this guy on. So now this Magic Cure light is so good and it penetrates through a lot, but not everybody has a light like that. And a lot of these lights, they can't really penetrate through darker stuff. So I do show people to put E6000 on it. Mine was sitting without a cap, so we'll see how it does. Yeah, it's fine. And then I still, though, I'll put E6000, and then I do still put UV resin and put it under. So listen, I am not a scientist, and I can't say that this stuff doesn't form together to make something weird, but I've not had any problems with it. So, and I'll be honest, I've never looked it up to see if there's a problem. But I like to also do UV because I want, you know, it takes a while for the other one to dry. All right, so I'm going to put this in and just let it dry. I'm wondering if you guys could hear my dog. He's at the door crying. Just whiny, poor baby. He's being ignored. He's so cute. So this is just some alcohol. I just wanted to clean off these beads. And then also this. And I just love these badge reels. They're so fun. You can do so much with them. You know, you can add all kinds of charms. You can add all kinds of stuff. I may even, since this one is going to be mine, I might go in and with my Cricut, and I might do an like iron-on glitter vinyl that says PMHNP for psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner, and, you know, put that up here and then iron it on. If I decide to, maybe I'll show you. But isn't this so cute? He turned out beautiful, and I love him, and he's as simple as that. And so this will be my new guy, especially going into Valentine's. All right, listen, I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day. Thank you so much for being here with me, and I'll see you later, friends. Bye.